Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Command line arguments are a way to pass information to a Python script when it is executed from the terminal or command prompt. Python provides the sys.argv list to access these arguments, but the argparse module offers a more powerful and user-friendly way to handle command line arguments. In this tutorial, we'll explore both approaches with code examples. Create a new Python script, example sys_argv_example.py. Use the following code to access command line arguments. Open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the scripts directory, and execute the script with arguments. Create a new Python script, example argparse_example.py. Use the following code to define and parse command line arguments. Open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the scripts directory, and execute the script with arguments. With argparse, your script benefits from automatic help generation and better error handling. While sys.argv provides a simple way to access command line arguments, argparse offers a more structured and user-friendly approach for handling arguments in a Python script. Choose the method that best fits your needs based on the complexity of your script and the flexibility you require in handling command line inputs. ChatGPT